7.6 and 7.7 distributive property. I can use the distributive property to simplify expressions.
Thank you, Matthew. So today we are not necessarily solving, we are simplifying and combining like terms. What does distribute mean, Peta?
To share equally using multiplication.
And we also can share equally using division. So everyone, I want you to add that to your notes. Or division. Share equally using multiplication or division. Because we did do both. I didn't know we'd get that far today. The next main idea is our last main idea, and this is where we just practice distributing. And if you look at the cheat sheet, you guys, the cheat sheet says use arrows to show what is being distributed to what. On almost every single one of these problems, we used arrows. So if you look at number 2, the problem reads what? Can somebody read me this problem, how you would say it if I asked you to say it? How would you read it, Grace?
A times B plus C.
A times B plus C. If we were going to simplify that by distributing, you would take the letter A and you would multiply it by B and get what?
AB.
And you would multiply A by the letter C and get what?
AC.
And the reason it's positive AC is because there's a positive right there. Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. Number 3 is the exact same type of problem. Number 4, we actually have numbers now because we assign M, K, and N numbers. So we have 2 times 3, which is what? 6. And we have 2 times
4.
which is what?
8.
And what's 6 plus 8?
14.
14. Does everybody see that?
Yes.
Beautiful. Things got a little bit more complex down here on number 6 and number 7. Now we were distributing a couple times in each problem. The trick here was this, Bella. We did 4 times x and got what?
4.
Bella? What's 4 times x, Bella?
4x.
Then we did 4 times negative 2 and got what, Bella?
Negative 8.
Negative 8. Then we took negative 3, not 3, but negative 3. What's negative 3 times x? Negative 3x. And what is negative 3 times 2? Negative 6, right, Bella? Okay, and then we weren't done. Some of you were done, but we're like, no, combine like terms. So if you combine like terms, we found negative 8 and negative 6 to be like terms, and we found negative 3x and 4x to be like terms. We combined them and got our answer, which is x minus 14. On the second half of distributing, remember, if there's a negative in front of that 3, you got to multiply by a negative 3, or by a negative whatever that number is. Okay? Number 7 is an example of that type of problem. Number 8 is more multiplication. Number 9, we switched to division. So when we distributed, what is 8 divided by 2? 4. What is 2 divided by 2?
1.
What's 4 plus 1?
5.
5. So we show that 8 divided by 2 and that 2 divided by 2 right there. I'm up here, right? Number 10, does everybody see how we did that with the arrows? What is A divided by C?
AC.
AC. What is B divided by C?
B over C.
BC. So when dividing, we divided everything in the top by what was in the bottom. Number 11. What is 4W divided by 2? 2W. What is 10 divided by 2?
5.
Positive or negative? Positive. We getting the idea? Okay, so that is what we're doing. I would highly, strongly recommend the arrows. Strongly recommend the arrows. Problem like this, when we did 16b divided by 7, did I ask you or did I tell you you needed to put it into a mixed number? You can leave it in improper form on these problems. So 16b divided by 7 is 16b over 7. 7 divided by negative 7 is negative 1. Okay? Questions?